everyone, Jen again, back with another photography tips and tricks video here at Midland Public Library in the Maker Place. In today's video, we're going to be talking about aesthetics. Aesthetics are a set of principles dealing with the nature of beauty, especially in art. Basically, there are things that our eye prefers to look at over others, and photographs are no exception. There are things that you can do to make your photos more beautiful. First up, use colors and patterns and textures to your advantage. Look for settings and subjects that have complementary colors. Those are colors that are across from each other on the color wheel. You could also look for places or people who have colors that are in the same scheme. So you could look for warm or cool color palettes. Finally, you can look for patterns and textures that are eye-catching and pleasing. Next, check your angle. Don't be afraid to switch it up. Be adventurous with your angles. If you've ever turned on the front-facing camera on your phone, you know that angles are important, so play with them. Changing your angle can leave you with a photo that is more visually appealing and pleasing and beautiful and unique and fantastic. Finally, it is incredibly important to be aware of what's in the background. You need to look for elements that bring negative images to mind. I'm talking about dumpsters and trash, pooping puppies, or photobombers. Give them the boot out of your photo. If you're interested in learning more, check out the next video in this series where I talk about zoom and focus.